Hey, it's Kay. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's video is going to be a hair care video. Okay, I know y'all see this puff ball on the top of my head. It wasn't always like this, okay? It takes a lot to go into doing this. All right, so we're just gonna roll it right up into the video. So let's get into the video. Don't mind that I look crazy. I just filmed a whole bunch of hair content and my hair is caked up. It's too much. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna make this flaxseed gel, right? My mother, she bought some flaxseed, so I'm gonna steal some from her. So what you need is literally water, flax seeds. That's it. I'm not trying to make too much. Usually you're supposed to use 2.5 cups, but I'm probably about to use just 1 cup. All right, so you take about 4 tablespoons and it's gonna look something like this, and you're gonna boil it for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I have a plastic container and then I have this metal sieve, and I'm just gonna like have it like this, and then I'm gonna pour it in so it can like catch all the seeds and stuff. All right, so I went ahead and put on my robe because I did not want it to get on my shirt. So I 100% probably should have kept it in a little bit longer so it would have been more thick, but it's still gonna work, okay? Basically, I had learned this on TikTok. It's a superfood protein for your hair, so it's really, really good. Now, some people add aloe and rosemary to this. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work in sections. I'm probably gonna do maybe 6 twists. It's still a little warm. I don't know if it like should wait. And it really helps to detangle your hair. Make sure you get the roots. Make sure you get every single inch of your hair. I've like seen online that you can actually use this as like your own gel, like basically like a little eco gel. I don't know that much because it's not it's like the consistency of like snot. Maybe if you like boil it a little bit longer, because you're not supposed to boil it too long, but if you boil it a little bit longer, maybe you might get that consistency. So I don't know. I use the African Pride pre-poo before I go into the shower, and literally this is kind of the same consistency as it. Also, if you want to see all the hairstyles that I did, because basically what I did was I filmed a week's worth of content. It's a little back to school series, so if any of y'all are back to school, and if you want to see some really nice hairstyles for your hair, go ahead and go check that out on my TikTok. Just simple twist like this, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and I'll show you my shower routine. All right, so starting off in the shower, I use this Mielle clarifying sugar scrub. It really does do a good job of clearing my scalp of like gook and like product buildup. So while I still have my twist in my hair, that's when I really get into my scalp. I go through the parts and then the actual sections. So now this is where we get into the real cleaning. So I take out my twist and then I go ahead and I use my Aloe Ginger shampoo from Adorning Impact. I do a good 2 little rounds of this, just making sure I get everything out of my hair. And then here comes my favorite part of washing my hair, conditioning. So I go in with the Aloe Ginger conditioner from Adorning Impact, and then I go ahead and detangle my hair. My hair loves to be detangled with conditioner. And that's my in-shower routine. It's after the shower and my hair feels so soft. It's all detangled. But my one problem with my hair is the frizz. I cannot seem to like get rid of it. So if anybody has any products or any suggestions, please let me know because I need it. I think first things first, I'm gonna use my rosemary water that I have just to like wet up my hair. Ooh. And then like also like just refresh my scalp, because I heard this helps the hair grow. Okay, it's crazy how fast like my hair frizzes up right out of the shower. I just don't know how to help that. So I just re-wet my hair because let me tell you, what I learned is you need to have moisture in your hair when you're working with your products, because that's how you get the best results. The more frizzier your hair, the more water it needs. But I don't know, I be just listening to anything on TikTok, you know? So next I use this Curl Wow Mix and Fix bundling spray, and it helps with frizz. Now, it doesn't take all my frizz away, but it does kind of combat some of it. You're supposed to use it on damp hair, wet hair. My main problems is underneath, because I'm 3C at the top and 4A at the bottom, and I think there's probably like more texture to my hair like, you know, throughout it, but for sure, like, bottom is 100% 4A. And maybe like this section in the front too. I'm still trying to train it because I used to damage my hair with so much heat growing up. My hair hasn't touched a flat iron in 3 years. That's how you know, like, okay, I was kind of over it. And I wanted to have like nice curly hair, especially because I had dyed my hair blonde and it completely broke off my hair. I was not taking care of it how I was supposed to. Yeah, learned my lesson. Probably never going to bleach my hair again. Honestly, I really like this product because it does help out with the bottom frizz. Not so much the top frizz. Maybe I just need to use more. I don't know. I just don't feel like fully washing my hair and then putting so much product in it like immediately. So now that I got that saturated, I go in with the Rosemary Mielle leave-in conditioner. I started to not diffuse my hair because I was noticing I had a lot of frizz when I would diffuse my hair. So I just started air drying, but air drying takes forever. It takes at least like smooth 3 hours for my hair to dry. So now we go in with the curl stuff. The best curl stuff I have ever used. If someone can change my mind, do it and send me something because I need something to combat this. This is too good. Okay, Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls. I tried to use something that was like similar to it. No. Absolutely not. And I learned to never stray away from Miss Jessie's again. Next, I go on with Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls, and I do it in a way where I put it in my hands and I like distribute it with praying hands. Next, I go in with the Doux Most Deff. And when I tell you, one of my favorite mousses. I also like the Camille Rose honey one, spiked honey. It's good. It just reminds me of like syrup. But I go in with praying hands also. All right, and it looks something like this, and then I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back and like style it. All right, so the top of my hair, I mean, my hair's still a little wet. It's probably like, I say my hair's probably about like 60% dry. I don't like my hair being in my face, so I'm gonna go ahead and style it. I literally love that I learned how to cornrow my hair. I'm gonna use a little bit of this mousse for it. I have this like gel cast over my hair. Some of my hair is still wet, some of it's not, and I just really want to go ahead and just get some of this gel cast. So I'm going to use this rosemary mint oil from Difeel, and it kind of just like fluffs up my hair. And see, this is why you wait until it's dry. The frizz. I'll kind of show you what it looks like when it's more dry, and then probably while editing this video tomorrow, I'll show you what it looks like then too. All right, so this is the final look for my hair. I'm currently on day 3 right now, and I like when it's big like this and gets a lot of volume. I'm more of like a volume over definition type of girl, but you know, to each its own. I don't know, I probably want to try a definition hairstyle one day. Should I? Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I enjoyed making it. I love showing what can help for people, and hopefully somebody resonated with this video, and somebody with my hair type finally sees what they can do. Just anybody, you know, anybody looking for some hair care. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.